Hi, I'm Jessica Epting here with Dance Teacher Web, and I have Tatiana here with me. She's going to help me demonstrate. We're going to talk about fouettes, and everybody loves fouettes. They're crowd pleasers, they're great for your choreography, for your competitions, but how many of us have seen poorly done fouettes or even done poorly done fouettes? I'm sure we've all seen them for sure, right? So this exercise I came up with when I've tried to figure out what is it that's making some of these fouettes look so unnatural. They don't have a flow. There's nothing lovely about the quality. And I realized that what happens sometimes is the dancer puts the releve in the wrong place. In other words, when you are still on fondu and leg in second and releve as you bring the leg in for the turn, that's often when you get like this squat and pull kind of a fouette movement that isn't pleasing to the eye and is actually quite hard to keep on music for your dancers. So this exercise I give to the dancers at the bar. And if you do it consistently and often, then coming out to the center and doing fouettes in the center, it's really quite easy for the dancers. So what we do is we have 2 preparations with no turn. Then the third one we're going to turn, and then followed by a short little balance. And we do that about 4 times at the bar. So here we go. We're going to try this combination now. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a 1 and 2. And we stay, we lower the heel. And a 2 and 2. And we stay, we lower the heel. The third one, we go around and then we stay right through to the end of the phrase, we lower the heel. And then we can repeat that. And I really do recommend, part of it again is that stamina and strength and conditioning. So have them do it at least 4 times. Make sure that you do keep in mind that after more than 4, 6, or 8 run-throughs of this, the hip flexor can get quite sore, okay, with the rotation and the whipping of the leg. So probably 8 times would be the maximum, and then at least let them do it on the other side before you have them repeat, okay? So we're going to talk real fast about what to look for in the way of what's not so great, and it's all about where that releve happens. So I've asked Tatiana to demonstrate the wrong way, which she's going to do now, and you'll see. So the preparation, lift the leg and the arm. The releve, if it happens, take the arm and leg. If it happens here as you bring the leg in, so try that one more time. So side in. If the releve happens there, that's when you get this kind of, it's just not a pleasing, freeing way to do fouettes. It doesn't look good, it doesn't feel good, and it's hard to keep on the music, okay? So what she did is she's releveing on count 2. What you want to do is releve on the and between 1 and 2. So let's just do it the correct way now. So we prepare on 8, and we have 1 and 2. So the releve happens as she takes the leg to second, as she opens the arm to second. And actually, when we're doing the turning version, that's when you start turning. And there's this wonderful feeling as you rotate and as you releve on that and that needs to happen. So let's just try it one more time, the correct way, right the way through the combination, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 1 and 2. Good. Hold, lower your heel. Again, 2 and in. Stay. This one turns and side, up. Good. And then we wait, find your balance, 5, 6, 7, and then we would repeat. So that's really well done, thank you. So yeah, just watch out for the timing of the releve and also the coordination of the arm, the leg, into the releve. Hope you enjoyed.